module, we'll understand about tourism that is there in our state, and apart from that, also the policies made by the state government to increase the level of tourism in our state. Maharashtra attracts a lot of tourists from not only India but from abroad too. A lot of tourists come to Maharashtra every year to see a lot of different places like Ajanta, Ellora Caves, Gateway of India, the Taj Hotel that is there. Apart from that, we have Juhu Beach, Marine Drive, the attractive sea coast, and also there are a lot of villages who actually stand out even from the urban areas. Therefore, a lot of tourists come to Maharashtra to see not only the urban areas but also such spectacular rural areas. The tourists are increasing day by day for a lot of different reasons. To encourage the number of tourists that are coming in Maharashtra, government of Maharashtra has also made a policy. The policy was Maharashtra Tourism Policy 2016. Basically, it has three aims. First, to be a leading state in terms of tourism. Second is to earn investment, to have investment from a lot of different places of approximately 30,000 crore. Government of Maharashtra wants that amount of investment. As we all know, we are building the statue of Shivaji Maharaj in the middle of Arabian We are building the statue of Shivaji Maharaj in the middle of Arabian Sea. So for building that also we require capital. So government of Maharashtra wants an investment up to 30,000 crores so that it can build much more tourist sites. The next one that is important and the third point is the government of Maharashtra is promised that they are going to create 1 million jobs in tourism sector. That is the aim, that they want to create 1 million jobs in the tourism sector. The government is actually having a lot of steps in the mind to bring about 1 million job opportunities. What are the job opportunities that get generated in terms of tourism? People get engaged in a lot of different factors like agents for booking the tickets or doing all these things, drivers who can take people from one place to another, guides who work as instructor about what are the different things that are going on in that place. Apart from that, it is not just restricted to that. It also has a lot of hotels, restaurant, banking services. A lot of people will get job because of tourism. The government has started a lot of different plans for increasing the tourism. Ajanta and Ellora cave trips, and one more fest has been started in which there are different types of tourism that are combined. The fest is known as Mahabhraman. In this, they are going to show different types of tourism like agro-tourism, village tourism. All these tourism are shown in this so that a lot of tourists gets invited and the tourism in the state goes on increasing. Because we earn a lot of revenue from tourism. So government is focusing on increasing the level of tourism. Thank you.